Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you some users' honest review on Peeps. So let's get started.
Hi. As many of you guys know, I wear these glasses 24/7. But not a lot of you guys know that these are actually real. And recently I was lucky enough to partner up with this product called Peeps Glasses Cleaner, and it's this little guy right here. And obviously, it's a cleaning device for your glasses. And as you can see, this is what it looks like, and it can open up on both sides. And here, with a little button, when you push it, there's like this brush situation going on. You can use the brushes to brush off the debris on the side of the glasses. You can open this up. On the other side, there's these tongs, and you can slip your glasses right in between and clean it like so. And these fabrics has the same kind of carbon molecular technology used by NASA, so I think that's pretty cool. And the best thing about this is that it's super small, compact size, so you can just bring it anywhere you go. And now I don't have to use the edge of my sleeve to kind of like clean up my glasses.
So I got this new tool called Peeps. It's kind of a high technology thing. I'm going to try it on my glasses, and I am a clean fanatic. Make sure my glasses, I've been wearing glasses since I was in the second grade, and it drives me nuts. If my glasses are not totally clean, I cannot function. So I just use this little, brush, which is coated with some carbon stuff, which I don't know what it is, but as long as it works, I don't care. So I'm going to now pull this apart. And now all I do is take this with looks like a very light pressure and just smooth it around both sides. Voila, this is really clean. I mean, when I bought these glasses, they gave me these microfiber things that you got to use these to clean your glasses. And I've been using them, but they still leave smudges and stuff like that. And I've tried other things, wet stuff like Windexy type stuff. And they told me that may actually destroy the coating on these glasses. So, this is great. It's portable. It works, and, I keep it with me because now I can clean my glasses 8 times a day instead of twice a day like I usually do. So, that is great.
Dirty lenses are the worst, but did you know every time you use a t-shirt or a spray, you're actually damaging the coating, which can cost you hundreds of dollars in replacement lenses? Never scratch your lenses again. There's a better way to keep them as clear as the day you got them. Peeps. Peeps uses patented carbon technology to keep your lenses crystal clear. Use the brush to quickly and easily remove dust and particles from your glasses. Next, a quick wipe with the carbon microfiber pads eliminates fingerprints. Make your lenses like new again with Peeps. It's amazing how well they get the oils off your lenses. These really work. Other cleaners seem to leave a hint of film in my glasses, but these leave nothing but crystal clear lenses. I plan to buy more. I can leave them in my car, bag, wherever I need them. Plus, they make a great gift. Try it risk-free with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Click the link to see where I got mine at a discount.
Check this out. Thankfully, there's a way to keep your lenses as clear as the day that you got them.
Peeps uses patented carbon technology to make your lenses crystal clear. First, use the included brush to quickly and easily remove dust and particles from the surface of your glasses. Next, a quick wipe with these soft carbon microfiber pads eliminates oil and fingerprints.
I've scratched my lenses a number of times with cloths and sprays. It's so expensive to replace them once you do it. These really work. Other cleaners seem to leave like a trace of film on my glasses, but these leave nothing at all. I plan to buy more so I can keep them in my car, bag, wherever I need them. Plus, they make great gifts. Peeps will never scratch your lenses. Get spotless, streak-free lenses every time. Try it risk-free with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Click the link to see where I got mine at a discount.
My daughter wears glasses, and with her active lifestyle and busy play, they're always crusty, and I really struggle with her keeping them clean.
We tried sprays and cloths in the past, and even worse, she has a tendency to clean her glasses on her shirt, and those can damage the coating, costing us hundreds on replacement lenses. When I heard about Peeps, I knew this was finally the perfect solution. Peeps gets her lenses as clear as the day we got them. It uses a patented carbon technology to make lenses crystal clear. I love how compact they are and easy to carry around, and they're super easy to use, even for my 9-year-old. You just use the brush to quickly and easily remove dust and particles from your glasses. Next, a quick wipe with the soft carbon microfiber pads eliminates oil and fingerprints. I can't believe how well this works to easily clean her lenses and get them spotless and streak-free, and we never have to worry about her scratching or damaging her lenses.
Try it risk-free with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Just click the link to see where I got mine at a discount.